ear game. I'm eating some cookies right now because my big back likes cookies. So let's play. But remember to like and subscribe. Wait, I want to change my color. How the hell did you... Wait, how the hell do you go back? Lang. Oh wait. Okay. Oh, there's no green pala. My second favorite color is like red. The hell's this animation, bro? I know the game has low budget. Did he climb an invisible rope? So in this game, you need to get scraps. What's the scrap picture? Bucket. Another bucket. Galon, balon. Yeah, bro. Oh, hell yeah. Pipes. Okay. This is where the chainsaw monster with chainsaw hands or something appears. Oh my god, gasoline! This is gonna be my snack in the game.
Ano to, be? May kila to?
Wait, they took this from Monkey Simulator. Wait, they stole the sound from Monkey Simulator. Look, I recognize this. Look. It's stolen. Okay, so there's nothing here yet. Wait, pause. Snack break. What the? So far, no anomalies yet. The hell was that? Oh, Jesus Christ. Bitch, I'm running, bro. Like, why am I low-key carrying? Oh shit. Oh no. Oh no. I just lost. Alright, so I'm choking on a cookie. It's okay. Mm, mm. My snack regenerated. Mm. They took this from Monkey Monkey Simulator. The sound eh. Okay. So then no. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Yeah, bro. I swear, if I meet an anomaly, yeah, bro, I am shitting my. I swear, if I see an anomaly, like one whole damn anomaly, yeah. Hell no, am I not. Okay, so far no anomalies. What the hell is that? I only got the skull before. Only got 4 bolts. Up. Oh, fuck. Okay, guys, let's go back. Um, bro. Wait. I'm gay. Hello, bro. That was so funny as hell. Goofy. I'm dead. Snack break. Oh, hell no. No anomalies, bro. No monsters yet. Maybe I should go monster hunting. Monster hunting. Oh my god, what the? What is this? Big. Wait. Am I cooked or am I just good at the game? Okay. Wait. Okay, I'm scared now. Run, bitch! Run! Okay, I'm gonna go monster hunting now. After Okay. What the hell is that? Let's go monster hunting. La 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 la. Okay. So far, no anomalies yet. No chainsaw, dude.
Kay Kula. Maleta, pag isang ganyan.
Wait.
Doon na muna ako hindi.
Damn! That's brutal. Holy okay. Now let's go and just diddy slide. Why is there no anomaly? Why is there no monsters yet?
Yung maliit, pwedeng ilagay dyan. Ano ba ba? Di ko kapili.
Ilalagay ko na nga yung mga gamit ko, di ba?
Oo nga. Di ba yung maliit na maliit?
Doon ko muna ilalagay lahat.
Di ba? Sudahan para hindi masyadong madaming dala pa.
Eh, iba kong gamit, tinalik din na kasha. Akala ko dito sa kanila.
Hindi.
Ay, paano mangyayari sa pag-alis doon? Dalawang ganyan ako.
Isa lang. Ilalabas mo na yung isa.
Maliit.
Run, babe!
Hindi.
Diyan ang ginawa natin.
O, di ba nagdagay ako maliit? O, syempre may space.
Oh, I hate myself.
Oo nga. Lalagyan mo nga.
Saan ko ilalagay? Yung mga nandito na natin sa ilalagay. Di ba ang dadalhin ko na pagpadubay yung maliit at isang ganito? O ngayon, pag inalis ko,
Okay, let's find that key card.
gamit pa ako dyan.
Next.
Lilipas ko pa.
Okay, finding key card.
Ayun na dun sa maliit.
Dito kayo muna. Ilagay mo muna itong damit ni Lolo. Itong damit mo.
Let's go there. Sprint, sprint. Sprint, bro! I have a level 2 key cord.
Sabi yung concept mo.
Go fuck yourself.
Ano sa taas?
Oh, nag-i-English oh. Dito sa kami eh.
Ay, wait lang! Lablog ako! Lablog ako!
Ano ba sinabi ko sa'yo sa Sabado ngayon?
Bigla kang nawala eh.
Biglang nawala.
Papa, nablog ako.
O, tara, babalik na si Papa doon. Bukas naman.
May pasok ako bukas. Ayoko na naman maantay.
Next week, promise pupunta tayo.
Why am I like a turtle? I want to doom scroll so bye bye guys.